Hey guys, these are boom balance valve used on Sany and Zonlian pumps. This one is for CFA pumps. This one, the brand is Harvey. This one is HBS, and this one is Rexroth. Sometimes the boom sinks during the placing process. There are several reasons for this phenomena, such as the leakage of the balance valve and the leakage of a boom cylinder. How do we decide what reason it is? First, we retrieve the booms back to loaded state and make sure it's safe. Then, stop the engine. Disassemble all the oil tubes on the valve. Then we need to check each oil outlet. If there is oil come out from the valve outlet, then we can be sure it should be the leakage on the valve. Otherwise, it's the leakage on the cylinder. So much for today. If you like this video, subscribe to follow us. See ya!